In this video, we are going to explain how to um, define who sees a block. As we have explained in the earlier video, blocks can be added to different regions on your website. Let's get started. On this website, we have different regions. To view all the regions that your website has, it is as simple as going to structure, then blocks. Upon getting to blocks, you have demonstrate block regions. Now, if we click on demonstrate block regions, you will see all the regions that your website has. As you can see, we have the sidebar, we have the second sidebar, we have the help region, we have the content region, we also have this particular region. That means you can place blocks in each of these regions that we have on the screen. We have strip chase first, second, middle, and the last. We have our footer column. Now, depending on the theme you are using, the regions will definitely be different. And this particular theme, which is the batik theme, is the theme that comes with Drupal by default. In some other videos that you will see in this series, we show you how to download a new theme from the Drupal.org website and how to add it to your website. But as we have it now, we are going to continue to use this particular theme. Now that we have all the regions, we can place blocks in any of these regions that we want. Now, let's go back to the front page of our website and see the region. Now, if we scroll down to this website, we have powered by Drupal. Most of you wouldn't want to have this block on your website. You don't want people to know that your website was built with Drupal. So all you need to do is click on configure here and remove the block. It's as simple. You know how to remove a block. Just change the region from where it is to none. If you change it to none, then you save it. Now let's save that and see if our block has been removed. Good, we have removed that. We can remove as many as possible blocks. But basically what we want to do in this video is that we want to restrict access to blocks. Now, who is new? This particular block is accessible to administrators and some other users that have administrative privileges. Now, okay, look at this who is online with block. This is accessible by everybody, maybe logged in or not logged in users. If I log out of this website, we will still see this. Let's try to log out and see if we have access to that particular block. Good, I've logged out and this is requiring me to log in again. Now, and then we have this block here. What if I don't want anybody to see this block except those that are logged into that website alone? All I need to do is let me log in back as the administrator so that I can have access to edit that. Now I've logged in back as the administrator. Now if I click on configure, where we have this configure, and then we scroll down in the visibility settings region of this block settings, we can do interesting things like roles. For every user on your website, you can assign them to a particular role. Users that are logged into your website are called authenticated users. Users that are not logged in are called anonymous users. Now, I want to show this block to only authenticated users. So all I need to do is to check this button and click save. Now, after saving this, let's log out again and see if the block is still there. Good, I've logged out. Wow, that's interesting. The block has disappeared. We can remove virtually all the blocks we have on our website and restrict them to either a set of people or a particular page. Now, apart from that, let's go back to the configuration settings of that particular block to show you some other interesting things we have in the visibility settings. We have pages. That means you can restrict blocks to a particular page. That means if they move away from that page to another, the block will show. If they move back to that page, the block will disappear. This is self-explanatory. If you look at them, you want to show this block on all pages except those listed, That means if you don't want to have this block on some pages, you can simply type in the pages here, and if you want it to appear on only specific pages, you can check this only the listed pages. Now what I want to do is I don't want to have this block on other pages. I only want to see this block on the front page alone. So the only thing I need to do is to copy this value front. That means only the listed pages, that is only on the front page. Now let's save this and see if this will work as we wanted to. This is okay. This is a who is online blog, is on the front page of our website. Now let me click on this article. Now this is the article, main article page. You can see that the block has disappeared because we have restricted that block to the front page alone. We can also do otherwise. Let me go back to the front page. This is the front page, and reconfigure this, and let me choose this value. All pages except those that are listed. I want this block to show on all pages except the front page. Now if I save this, and now we are on the front page of the website, you can see that the block has disappeared. But if we click on one of the articles and it takes us to the article page itself, then we have the block, which is interesting. So you can also do some other interesting things in the visibility settings of any block. You can restrict this to content types. That means if I'm viewing an article of a particular content type, you can also restrict that specific content to that specific content type. You can do this. Then roles, we talked about roles. You can also make users to determine if they want to see this block or they don't want to see this block. In the next video, we are going to talk about menus in the structure section of our training.